Welcome to another video on my Arduino MegaADK for Android. Last time I unpacked, connected it to a little breadboard with just an LED to blink, and well, this connection is to the laptop I'm recording this on, and this is the connection to this Android tablet. And pressing the button, you should see something. Yes, that is, let me go there. Yes, now something is visible for a short time. Anyway, yeah, this is the cable running, and one of the things is that I thought, okay, I found out that for Android development kit I need processing 3.3.5, and I can open the program with which I programmed this. Not so much, because I got this. Oops. I do not know how to open a sketch with Inno file extension, and right now I'm in the Android, and apparently I have to go to the Java mode, I think. So let's go to Java mode, then open recent, it doesn't know, and once again I need to go to wherever, if it comes to something at least, open a processing sketch. Well, that takes a while. So in the meantime, what do I have to do? I guess I need to open this one. No, not this one. Open recent, and that should be this one then. Close this. And this is the program I have written for my new board. So in my idea I should actually say, alright, let's just copy this completely and copy it in here. Does it work? Will it work? I have no idea, but apparently something needs to be done. Then yeah, alright, all new, just trying things out, and apparently save the sketch. So what if I just select all, remove the sketch, go to Android. Now what did I do now? Errors. Zo. Alright, let me open it again. No, I do not want. Then get it back. Nope. Then go to Android mode. Then paste. Well, at least now I can save something. Here I called it Arduino MegaADK 1. Well, let's just keep it that way. Save. You know what? Sketchbook. I don't mind. let's make it P for processing. What I also can do is, because I have here the Arduino sketchbook, I can say, alright, let's make it like this. Alright, now this is for processing. Anything else? Well, I can close this one, but apparently some things are different. Will this work now when I change something? Will this work on the board? Because that's a big question. So I can try using this, changing the delay, very simple, and see if that works. So let's do that. Alright, so let's see if a little change will work on the board. And let's make it something obvious. 2 and 1. Ah, now that's a nice one. The delay function does not exist. That means that I cannot use this code in Android mode at all, I think. But if I cannot use delay, what can I use? Sleep, maybe? Sleep does not exist. Time does not exist. It must be a variable. Yes, right. But this is just a function, and the function does not exist. But they say delay integer. Does delay exist? Error on variable declarations. Yes, I did not declare. Oh, wait. That may just be it. That I have to import delay somewhere, somehow. This is C after all. So maybe nope, it does not exist. Well, this is more like Python using, but time, name time cannot be recognized. Error on invalid character. The hash is an invalid character, while a hash include is most definitely used in C. And if you have seen software for the normal Android, for other Android, you do use hash include. So this is very different. I have to study on how this is being done for the for processing and in Android mode. is very interesting. And so far this is not going to be changed. Ouch. Time to figure things out. Alright, new insight, new situation. As it turns out, well, you can see that the connector to the Android tablet has gone. That is because new insight, new situation. The point is that according to this site, android.processing.org tutorials, it is meant to make a sketch on the computer for the Android device. In order to do that, in Android mode, go to Android and select the target. In my case, 4.2.2 API, Application Programming Interface. Why this version? Because my Android tablet runs on Android 4.2.2. Then I have to select a device, and in comes a problem. It doesn't connect. Is it on? Yes, it is on. It is connected? Yes, it is connected. And more so, if I go to the camera and I will try to show you, if it lets me. Right here there is the Android symbol visible right here in the corner. So it does select being yeah, it has noted that it is connected through USB interface, either as USB or via USB, whatever. Is that logical? Well, for this, yes, it is logical. But when I can't do this, I have a little problem, I think. Back to the code. Still this one, because this is for simple code on the Arduino, and it runs. I haven't changed it, but it simply will run. So then, how to solve it when I have no connection? That's a completely different question right now. So before doing anything, I will have to see how to solve this. Run on device. Well, I may do an emulator, but I prefer to run it on a device, except that I don't have a device yet. So does it have preferences? No. Well, it does have preferences, but let's not go there for now. Anyway, that's going to be a nice challenge. Something for this being Arduino, being this one, and something for this being this one. How to go from here? Time to find out. Alright, this is somewhat annoying. The problem is that in processing, which I have installed, reinstalled, removed, reinstalled, and with each time you manage to lose the API, so you have to reinstall it. Then checking if, and here comes the big thing, this was the old one, and according to the manual and the online stuff, you'll have to check in here, and here has the ADK mode to be. No such thing, but I have added a -1, and using the install script which comes with it, it somehow comes in here. And then you have modes, and you have the lot in here, exactly the same, there's no difference. So you think, right, it should be the same, but well, it should be different. Going back here, there's the Android mode, and selecting Android. Well, there's no connected, and physically it is connected. Using the SDK manager, everything which is needed, well, I can deselect this, I can deselect this one, well, fold in actually, and this is the correct one, or is it? No, it's not. Hold on, wait, I'm making a mistake. It's 4.2.2, and now I have to check on my tablet. Actually, did I install the right one? No, it's 4.2.2, so I did install the wrong one, but I did install previously the right one, and it didn't do anything either. And this is just an API. This is an API which is not deciding or decisive on the device, and the device is what is in the mode, or so it says. So I'm not one step closer to what I want. Going here, this is still working, and so I do have to redo this one, remove these files, and install this one. But right now there's absolutely no change in how far I was. There is only one thing to do: keep trying, finding out how this is, and other than that, trying to make a nice circuit, control it, and then see how I can in the future control this by this or vice versa. In the meantime, I am going to delete 8 packages, and everything else is deselected. Let me be sure of that. Yes. Delete. Yes. So delete and select, and this is the correct one, 4.2.2, because my Android is that version. And now here accept and accept license. Alright, go. and this takes a while. So let's see what happens after this. But well, it is the correct Android version in API, but I doubt that it will means that it suddenly connects. So we'll see. Alright, now everything is installed as far as the development kit goes. It's now 4.2.2. Unfortunately, as you can see, the device is not recognized yet. While when I insert it, it says a removable medium is inserted, and it sees it as a removable disk. Does that matter? I have no clue. Then another view in this directory. Does it have an ADK? No. Should it have one? I guess it does, because here on this page it clearly says installing the SDK, and if you have indicated or automatically installed it, it should get stored in the node folder. If not, you have a distinct problem. So the question is, where is it? I have no clue, to be honest. ADK mode, and they are talking here about SDK. Well, I have downloaded the SDK a few times now, but it doesn't install in the node folder. How do I find it? Well, I can make one last attempt. Actually, I can't, because it is fully installed. And when I go here, it simply says, alright, it is installed. And target SDK manager. So anyway, that's it for as far as processing goes. I have something else yet, I hope. And let's forget then about the Android for a while. What does this do? Well, going here, this is only digital write, high and low. What I can do is make some pulses modulation, because in this way it's just blinking on and off. If I say write, this is to write 2, and I make it a number, let's say 128, and then I should probably disable this one and this one, and let's see what happens now. Oh, by the way, I have to select the MegaADK and the port MegaADK. So now everything is selected correctly. Yeah, let's do it. Ah, right, I forget something, because TTY, AC, no, AC and 0, I have to change that. And now I can write to it. Yes, So is this different? It just blinks, it just burns now in a certain frequency. Let's change this 1024 for 1 second, and then say 64 for about 1 second. Oh, that doesn't work. 3 then. Neither does it do that way. Really? Large interface implicitly connected, truncated. Well, let's make it whatever, 880. Not okay. 512. Really? Oh wait, I understand. It's this is the byte thing again. So this will probably work. Yes, it's bytes. And to make sure it does something else as well, yeah, let's make it let's put a serial print in it, so I can see that it actually writes the thing. Should be a nice one. Alright, last part of this video. So let's make this a serial print of 255 /n for new line, and here exactly the same. Well, not exactly the same. /new line. Done. And let's take the serial monitor. Well, that clearly works. Except that the digital writing in value is not doing anything special to the eye, not visibly. What I can check, by the way, is if high is different. So that's that will be an interesting one. So I make and let's see if this is giving a slightly different idea. Alright, serial monitor, to the naked eye there's no difference. So to see about this. It would be very nice to see some rapid or less rapid blinking, but that doesn't happen yet. And that's it for now. Unfortunately, in my eyes, the SDK ADK fails miserably for now. Software installs not according to the website I found, despite several attempts. So I have no idea how that will develop. And this software also, I have to use both the processing thing and the Arduino IDE. And which is this one, and this is a serial monitor, and I think this will have a serial monitor as well. No, it does not. Alright, we can make a movie out of it, but it does not have the serial monitor. Interesting. Troubleshooting, whatever. Okay. Anyway, that's it for now. If you like this video, please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Make a donation to keep everything coming to you. Please visit my website for more information on how to donate. And yeah, and on my website also my other projects, robotics and embedded systems, and a lot of pictures. And this is going to be continued, obviously. Bye bye.